In today's trip, we're going to take the Tesla to Gold Coast to see whale watching, and see how long it actually takes us, and in terms of battery charge. So I live in Brisbane City, and yeah, it usually would take about an hour to an hour and a half or so to get to Gold Coast, but it's early morning, and we'll see how it goes for today. So as of right now, I don't know if you can see that. It's probably a little bit blurry, but it's at 97%. I've got about an hour to go. Usually I charge this overnight. So at the moment it is charging, and I was supposed to charge to 100%, but since it's already 7 o'clock, we are going to go right now. Gonna stop at McDonald's. We're at McDonald's, what was it? I can't really remember. BP somewhere.
Strapine.
Strapine?
This is Strapine. No, Strapine is
I
up
don't
north.
know where we are.
This is for
BP truck stop. Click on that. Stapleton? That's where we are. We're gonna have McDonald's for breakfast. So we went at about 90 something percent. It was 400 Ks, and now it's at 373 Ks to go. And we're gonna go SeaWorld, and SeaWorld is only about half an hour drive. We gotta be there by 9.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, now.
Cool. Alrighty, so we got plenty of time.
Go.
Let's go. Just finished breakfast. It still got 91%. 8 o'clock. We should be getting there at about 8:30 or so. What am I gonna do for a couple of hours?
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Green.
Cool.
Look.
Alright, so we made it to, I guess it's niche SeaWorld. It's not actually in SeaWorld. Marina somewhere. So we're gonna go catch a boat right there somewhere. As of right now, I've got 81%. Thank God we park in the shade. It is a hot day today. 300 Ks to go. And we arrived there at about 9 o'clock. We went to a park somewhere first. Ended up coming over here at about 9:15. So we arrived in the marina. Check out the boats.
Oh wow, that's a lot. That's a lot.
That's a lot of fish. All right. This is our boat for the day until about lunchtime. But goodies. I thought it would be that one, ma. No?
No, which is back.
Enjoying yourself, Aiden?
Lucky they got the necklace.
That's so close.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Is it morning?
Shimmy, morning, morning.
Hello.
So close for you guys. Oh, wow.
Oh, I don't think that's related.
You guys are
So those 2 adult whales weigh the same as this boat and everybody on board.
So picking them up is like kicking this up.
Exactly.
Right now?
Yep. Here he comes. Come to say hi, guys. Give him away.
Hello.
Wait. Just side.
Oh, yeah.
So
we've
Just have
Oh!
guys right around there.
Yeah! How big way?
Details.
Little jump, baby! Little jump!
Totally forgot to record this. But we had lunch. It's 2:30. And we've got 300 k's to go. We ended up going to Costco. So, oops. Okay, somebody needed something in the boot. So 73% to go. We're at Costco at the moment. Gonna do our shopping. We went whale watching. So on the way home, forgot to record it. But anyway, Costco. On the way home, now it is at 70%. I think we should be home about 60%. So, and roughly at about 4:30 we'll be at home. So we got home roughly at about 5 o'clock or so, and because we're not driving the vehicle tomorrow, we're just staying at home, or if not, going to go somewhere local. We're not going to charge the car. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon after all. So as of right now, it is at about 60% or so, or 59% to be exact, and it's got 245 kilometers to go. So that is a typical day trip for us when we go to Gold Coast using the Tesla from a 90%, 400 Ks. You'll get back home roughly about 200 Ks. And if you don't use it the next day, for us, we probably will, but not going to be like a full long day again. So we won't be charging this until we have a full sun. So yeah. But if you're continuously driving for long distances, then it's possibly a good idea to charge it overnight or have a battery at home so you can actually start charging it overnight. For us, we know for sure we're not using this tomorrow, and 250 kilometer range on another day, it's still good enough for us. We're going to be doing a couple of errands here and there within maybe about 50K radius, and that's all my driving for tomorrow. But yeah, that's what we do typically on a weekend. See you guys on the next video. Bye.